Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalpataru Ayur Center videos. This video is mainly for parents to take care of your kid when your kid is suffering with fever. What is the first thing you all do? Taking them to the hospital on the first day itself, or giving them dolo and sending them to the school, or giving them antibiotics on the first day itself. Don't do these mistakes. What are the steps you have to follow if your kid is getting fever for first 48 hours? So the first thing which you have to do, it's okay if they are fasting. It's okay if they don't want to eat food. It's okay. Let them fast. Otherwise, if you want to give also, make sure you are giving them easily digestible food. That is semi-solid food. Liquid foods should be given. It can be grill, it can be soups, it can be khichdi, it can be pongal, it can be rice ganji. All these things should be given to them. Make sure they're consuming more amount of water. Warm water sipping frequently throughout the day is very necessary if that is in the starting stage. And make sure they are not consuming any type of junk. It can be biscuits, it can be bread, or it can be refrigerated food. Raw fruits and salads should not be given. Only if it is cooked you have to give. No fruits, no vegetables which are raw to be given to your kids if they are having raising temperature. Make sure they are consuming more amount of liquids. It can be in the soups form, it can be in the gruel form, or it can be in the warm water sipping throughout the day. And make sure you're keeping Dashanga Churna in your home for necessity purpose as an emergency kit. This Dashanga Churna, if you start rubbing on your kid's skin, the sweat glands will open and that flushes out all the heat which is present inside the body. So that is how you can reduce the temperature. Dashanga Churna is very easily available in all the Ayurvedic centers and easily usable also, which is not internal. So external you can definitely try for your kid. Tepid sponging you can do for first 48 hours. And then don't forget to add ghee and ginger to their food regularly. 3 times they are having the food, add ginger and ghee to the food and give. That is very mandatory. And make sure they are taking at least once the rice ganji, adding little bit of salt and ginger and jeera to it. So taking care of this diet and taking care of these things can make their temperature to reduce easily if it is because of gut. After 48 hours also, if it is not reducing, that is when you have to go to the doctor. And first and foremost, when they get fever, make sure you are not sending them to the school. Let them take rest and sleep properly, and keep away all the gadgets from them, and let them take rest very properly and sleep properly, so that if it is because of tiredness, if it is because of exhaustion, that will be cured very easily. So first 48 hours the doctor should be mother and father. After 48 hours, you can go to the doctor. Thank you.